How to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if repost option is not showing on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you're using the latest version of TikTok, as older version may lack certain features. So in order to look for updates, you have to open up Google Play Store in your mobile device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar, type in TikTok. If your application is missing out any updates, you will have an update button right there, so you have to update it. After that, open up the application, and if you're not able to find the repost option, check the video source. The repost feature is only available for the videos on your For You page, but if you are viewing videos on someone's profile or the Discover page, the repost option will not be available. So make sure to check that as well. If that still does not help you, then try to clear the application cache. For that, you have to open up Settings. So tap on Settings or search for the Settings. Tap on Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Tap on the search icon at top right and here search for TikTok. Tap on Storage and Cache and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache, now you can head back to the application and check if you are able to find the repost option or not. If that still does not help you, then try to restart your application or your device. Sometimes simply closing the application and reopening it back can restore the missing feature. So simply close your application completely. After that, you can reopen the application. If the issue still persists, then try to uninstall and reinstall the application. After you reinstall, you have to log back into your account and check if the repost option appears. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.